Techno Industrial Products offers Air Duster Gun, which are your excellent partner in removing dust and small particles from any equipment or machine that you want. This model is ABG 02B that comes with a brass bushing to support thread. Other air gun might not have this, but Techno offers it for a longer life. Also, Techno Airgun comes with non-magnetic stainless steel nozzle that makes it a good choice if your equipments are magnet repellent kind of. See the working carefully. These air duster gun can be used with couplers that can easily be replaced with your tool couplers if you have limited points of air from air compressor. Just assemble your tool's couplers to this like the video show. Or if you want to connect it directly with PU tube that you can also do with your pneumatic fittings as shown in this part. Just connect it and press the lever and it will be happy to serve you by removing every dust particle that cannot be seen from the naked eye also. Thanks for watching.